once long ago, a cowboy you were, with fire and courage inside. You'd sing a yodel on your mustering journey, with a gun and a swag at your side.
Nice dancing.
So sit there and smile, old man, and rattle and tell me your day. You've slept in too long 'cause your rum was too strong. Did you have a good Sunday, or are they all just the same? Life now only leaves you to blame, for you'd ride and you'd settle under stars full of envy, for they wish they could fall in your swaggy below. But then they'd stare up and wonder why they fell underneath the sky, just like you, a forgotten cowboy. So sit there and smile, old man, and rattle and tell me your day. You've slept in too long 'cause your rum was too strong. Did you have a good Sunday, or are they all just the same? Life now only leaves you to blame.
This is just part of the fun.
So sit there and smile, old man, and rattle and tell me your
This is an everyday thing at the moment. We're feeding out silage and hay, and I can honestly say I don't know how people that have been in drought for years and years and years do this day in, day out for years and years, because seeing how hungry the cattle are, and just and sheep, and just feeding out so much hay. We usually have silage, that's what's on the feed out cart. For the silage is usually for our weaned calves when they're in the yard and things, but yeah, we'll be out of it very shortly. We're feeding out dozens of rolls every day, but yeah.
What's so good about a country man? Well, I've seen and been with many of them, and though some reputations are not to flash, they've got a way to make the good times last. And I wouldn't swap them, no, for a city, oh. I'll tell you, I know what's good about a country man, 'cause I've danced the pants off many of them. Oh, they'll swing you around and they'll make your heart pump faster.
So you guys know this view. I've used it a lot in my photos of the view from my office today, and I thought I would show you post fires. So all up in the hills there in the background is burnt. It's hard to see, but we've actually just had a shower of rain. It's been 12 days since our big fire that burnt everything. But look at the ash and the ash that's washed down. This was a chook shed, and then when the chooks all died, we built a new one, and my rams used to live in that, and they've been absolutely lost without their house.
That only country women can understand. Oh, there are many times misunderstood, been known to drink a few more than he should, and if they go too far, that's just the way they are. The laws, they know that it's that time, upside down on the power lines, making a family on their minds, raining on the plains again.
Can you hear it drumming on that old tin sheet? No better sound to make you fall asleep. To dream of ton crops and big fat sheep, raining on the plains again.
With not having
Haven't seen the Warren Bungles all day. There's a fair chance, so the old blokes say. Reminds them of the start back in 58. Thunder on the plains again.
Looks like the break we've been looking for, and the dogs are doing donuts on the lawn. Chasing their tails, they can smell the storm, raining on the plains again. You can't make money out of dirt that's dry. Bring on the rain from the stormy sky.
Grab a beer from the fridge and
Raise it high, 'cause it's raining on the plains again.
And the logs couldn't sleep with the noise of the mosses and the frogs. What a storm on the plains again.
The galahs know that it's that time, upside down on the power lines, making a family on their minds, raining on the plains again. Now you can't make money out of dirt that's dry. Bring on the rain from the stormy sky. Grab a beer from the fridge and raise it high, 'cause it's raining on the plains again. Now you can't make money out of dirt that's dry. Bring on the rain from the stormy sky. Grab a beer from the fridge and raise it high, 'cause it's raining on the plains again. Rain on the plains.